Hello parents and hello kids, welcome to this video. So this video about our 100-day activity work only. So for a 100-day of Einstein Kids, we are going to make two crafting works. That is one crown. So all our kids will be crowned with a beautiful crown, and the other one is 100-day props. So these two craftings are very easy. So you can do at home with the things available at your home. You can do this work easily. Okay. So all the kids have been in Einstein Kids for 100 days. They have been 100 days smarter at the Einstein Kids. In order to celebrate this, we are going to make these crafts and celebrate the day of 100 days. Okay. So for doing this activity, first we are going to make a crown. For doing this crown, you need a thick sheet of paper. Like you can take a cardboard or chart paper. If you fold it into two and stick it to do stick and do it, it will be better because single sheet will be not that much thick. So I have taken thick sheet of paper. It is a thick sheet paper, and in the sheet of paper we are going to draw a crown picture. Like you can search in Google if any crown which is comfortable for you to draw, that one you can take. And here I have outlined a crown here. Now I'll draw and show you. So in this sheet, so both the sides you have to draw likewise sleeping lines. So you can leave some gap and both the sides draw sleeping lines. Then what you have to do is from the end of that sleeping line, you can draw a slanting line. Same way on the other side. So if you measure and draw, it will be more convenient for you. Both the sides it will come equal. If measurement is not that, it will be little difficult for you to get the shape. So if this crown is easy, you can go for this, or if any other crown is easy for you to draw, that one you can go. So I've done the sleeping line and slanting line on both the sides. Then what you have to do is, you're going to draw curve. Put a curve and go up. Put a curve and go up. And again, this middle part should go little up compared to the other two sides. Then come down, go up. Come down and go up and join here. Then after joining, you will get the crown shape. I hope you all are able to see it. So likewise, you can draw the crown. So if this is easy, you can go for this. If not, you can go for some other design which is easy for you to draw. That one you can draw. And after drawing, you are going to color this. So it will be easy if you color and cut it off. So I am going to take yellow color. So take the brush and Rangila colors or watercolors, any color that you have. Dip inside the paint, and from one side, you can paint it neatly. So this one you can ask your kids to do. You can make them help them in coloring this. So slowly they can do. Then after coloring this yellow color fully, what you have to do is, with black color, if you give the outline, it will look more attractive and more beautiful too. So I'll show you in the one part. So after coloring here, so yeah, if you color this, then I'll show this part, then I'll color it fully. Then take a black color, dip the brush in that, and you can give outline over it. So for the full crown, you have to do this. You can give yellow color and outline it. So this is an idea. If you don't want to do this idea, you can also create your own and then do it neatly. For instead of yellow, you can give some other color too. So likewise, you should give the border. For the whole crown, you should give, yeah. So all the sides from here fully you should give the black border. Before that, you should color with yellow and give it with black. So after coloring, you should cut it off. So if you wish, you can also give some other color and outline also with some other color. So after coloring and giving the border and cutting it off, your crown will be likewise. So see how beautiful it looks. So you have to cut it neatly along the shape, then only the crown shape will come perfectly, and the border also you should give properly. So after doing all the cutouts, I have made it dry for few minutes, then only I took it off. So this is the shape you will get, and inside you should write a quote like, I am 100 days smarter of Einstein Kids. So this is the code you're going to write inside. So now we can write the code. I am. So parents can write and give this because kids can't write this properly. I am 100 days smarter of Einstein kids. So this is the quote you should write in on the crown made. Yeah. Then after writing, you can take any color crayon or marker or sketch. That one you can use inside this and then write. I've taken this black color crayon. I am 100. So I am 100 days smarter of, I have written with black color. Then for Einstein, I am giving red color crayon. So using red color crayon, you can outline or overwrite it. Yes. So after doing this, I am going to decorate my crown with colors and stickers and so many things. So first I'll do it with Rangila colors. You can take this and you can draw small flowers. So you can teach your kids how to do that. So it's nothing but like 1 drop, 2 drop. Likewise you can just print and make flowers. So yeah, see how beautiful it looks. So likewise you can just dip inside the paint and then print on the chart. So with different colors also you can use. With bright colors when you do, it will look more attractive and beautiful. So that's why I'm giving this pink color. So it's just an idea. If you have any other ideas to decorate it, that one also you can use and decorate your crown. So I've given here small flowers. Okay, then after doing this, I'll take star stickers. So I'm having some star stickers. Using that, I'll stick it in the middle and somewhere. If you use some other color in yellow base, it will look more colorful. So if you stick red color or blue color, your crown will become more colorful. So likewise you can stick. And then I have cut a small round piece. So now I've taken the foam sheet and I'm cut it into circle shapes. So some 5 you can take, I've taken blue color, you can take green color, red color, yellow color, something like that. And then I'm going to apply Fevicol over it. And then I'll stick it on the top of, yeah. So when you put this foam sheets, it will look more glittering and it also looks attractive. See. All the 5 points I'm going to put the circles. Next on the other one. So the last one. So see how the crown has changed after sticking this. See how beautiful it looks. See, and now I have some small balls. So you can use decorative items. I'm just giving few ideas that you can use and decorate your crown. So we'll just stick it here. You can put small dots. And then one balls, you can stick it here. So yeah, I have completed half. Now I'm going to do the last part. So see how beautiful it looks. You can also decorate with some other like balls or some other decorative colorful items. If you do it, your kid's crown will look like was beautiful. Okay, so then after sticking it, give it some time for it to get dried up. So before that, we'll make holes. Like for tying it up, we can make holes on both the sides. So for that, you can take like this punching machine and you can put holes on both the sides. You can just insert it in and then you can put a hole here. Yeah, Likewise on the other side too. So both the sides, after putting the holes, we'll take any satin ribbon or any ribbon that you have, or any like something like that thread or rope that you have at your home, that one you can take it off and then you can cut it. So both the sides you need. So both the sides, for both the sides you can cut this. I've taken the satin ribbon. So take the satin ribbon and tie it on both the sides. So inserting in the hole, we will tie it up. Yeah, likewise you should insert and then tie this. So you can also use any thread, like thick thread that you have, and then tie it on both the sides. So yeah. Then after tying the rope or this ribbon on both the sides, I've taken 2 Einstein Kids logos. So you all might have received in your kalams that one. If you have these stickers, you can take, if it is there, you can take these stickers and stick it on both the sides likewise. Because we are celebrating 100 day of Einstein Kids only, no? So to significant it, so both the sides I'm sticking this Einstein Kids sticker. So almost the crown is done. So only we should make leave it to dry, then only the bubbles and balls will come out. So likewise you should make the beautiful crown for I am 100 days martyr of Einstein Kids. So we completed the crown. Next we are going to make the 100 props. So it is a very easy, we can do in quick minutes, okay? So for that you need a thick sheet of paper for doing that. Like crown we did in the thick sheet, no? If you have that leftover sheet, that you can use and do the 100 one. It is very easy and simple one. First for your for making the 100, you need a scale and pencil. So using the full scale, we are going to write the number 1. So breadth also you can take the same scale size itself and then join. So bigger one also you can make, or the small one also you can take it off. Then after putting a 1, get a circle. We are going to put the 100. 0. First 1 0. And next the other one. Leave some gap. Yeah. So likewise you should make the 1 0 0. Okay, first with scale you can put this one, then one circle and one more circle. The other circle shouldn't cut the first drawn circle. Next smaller circle object you can take, one bigger object and one smaller circle object. Either you can keep it inside, or you can take this cello tape, this one, or anything that is smaller in size. You can take little bit smaller one you can take, and you can trace this round. Same way on the other side. Take some circle and you should cut it off. So yeah. After doing the circle, you can first color this. You can color this and then you can cut it out with scissor. So for coloring, for number 1, I'm going to use this yellow color. So using yellow color, we can color the number 1. So take yellow color and color the number 1 with yellow. So I'll tell what color you have to give for which one. So for yellow will be given for number 1, and then for the other 0, one more 0, you can give pink color. This is my own choice of color. You can use your own choice. So for this one I'm giving pink color, and then yeah, you can give it for the full round you can give, and for the next one I'll give this green color. This green color you should give. I'm just showing, and I'll color it fully and then show you the whole 100. So I colored my 100 and I've cut it out also. So this yellow color, pink color and green color. Then after coloring I gave the outline with black color as we gave for the crown. Then I cut out it. See, this hole should come. This must come. Then only the prop will come neatly. Okay. So cut it in the shape. Parents can cut and give for your kids. And next we are going to decorate this. For decorating this, I've taken the small stars. So take these small stars and stick over the 100. So if you take some other color also, it will look more beautiful. So coloring is your choice and decorating is also your choice. But the procedure how you should do is, you should follow this one only. Likewise 100 only up to cut it off. Then only the craft will come correctly. So for decorating I'm using stars. You can use whatever decorating items that you have at your home. So last in crown we used bubbles. So bubbles also you can use and stick it. So one bubble, one star, one bubble, one star, or big star, or you can stick alone the big star. So see how beautiful it is coming after sticking the stars. So this craft we are making on behalf of our 100 days at Einstein School. So all the kids are going to complete their 100 days in our Einstein Kids. On behalf of that only we are doing this activity. So all the kids should enjoy and do this work. And what you should do, you should upload the photo in our Einstein assignment group on the given date. So we'll give a date. On that day you should upload the crown photo and this 100-day holding photo, and you should tell in the video what you should tell. I am 100 days smarter, you should tell in the video, and then you should post it. Okay, so we completed decorating this 100. And for holding this prop we need a stick, right? So you can get any stick, like chopstick one big, or toothpick, big toothpick will be there, or any small stick you can take and give them. And that stick we are going to stick on the back. We are going to stick with cello tape. So cello tape you can take, or double-sided cello tape also you can use to stick this if you have, or the cello tape, single-sided cello tape, you can just take it off, and then using scissor you can cut it and place it, and then stick it with this. Yeah. So yeah, it is ready now, our crown, and this 100 days prop is ready. So your kids have to wear the crown likewise and hold the 100 days props likewise, like a specs they can wear. And what they have to tell in the video is, I'm 100 days smarter of Einstein Kids. So this one your kids have to decide, and you should take a video and post it in our Einstein Kids assignment page, so on the given date. So these are the two crafts they are going to make. So see how beautiful it is. So it is very easy also, you can do at your home. So parents, kindly help your kids to do this activity and complete it and upload the photo and video of it. So enjoy the work. Thank you.